The bigger the trade show, the bigger the rewards, also the more costly. Hi, I'm Peggy Collins, taking a moment to share with you the trade secrets on how to make a trade show successful. I'm a firm believer in top-down selling, and the people who either write the checks or tell other people to write the checks attend the big shows. A good rule of thumb, the expense of the trade show, everything you have invested in it, should return 10 times the cost to be a success. Invest $10,000 and you need to write $100,000 in sales from that show. Do not try to save money on your presentation. The cost of the space will really depend on the size and scope of your presentation. I call it that because you can only have one chance to make a strong impression. Invest in it. If you have a really great gadget, show people how it works. If your product is technologically superior to others on the market, demonstrate it. And make it easy for anyone to see how much better your product or service is. Rule number 1, invest in your presentation. Professional-looking marketing materials can make a big impact at the show and when they come out of the briefcase back at the office. Rule number 2, do not rely on your presentation alone to make the pitch. Only face-to-face can you distinguish your product and make connections that could become fruitful relationships down the road. So provide a space in your booth where you can be comfortable and talk about the features and benefits of your product. Remember, those guys with the checkbook still like to do business across the table or at the bar. Not everything is best sold on the World Wide Web. Although if you don't have a website that matches your trade show image, well, you need to develop that site before the trade show. Rule number 3, now that you have a fistful of business cards, email addresses, and cocktail napkins that you can't read, the real selling begins. Unless you closed the deal and came back with a signed contract, what you really have is a warm lead. Follow up. Follow up. Follow up. Did I mention follow up? Get on the phone. Get in your car. Get on an airplane. Each business is different, but the size of the deal dictates what the cost of sale needs to be. Remember, the return on your trade show investment should be 10 times the investment to be successful. With the right presentation, effective face-to-face selling, and strong follow-up, you're pretty much guaranteed a trade show success. Rule number 4, don't try this with a bad product or service. You can't fake it. Those guys with the checkbooks are pretty smart. So look sharp and work smart. Good luck and good business. I'm Peggy Collins, and that's how to make your next trade show a huge success.